My dear friends, today I am cooking vegetable rice for the brick kiln workers because inflation is very high here and things are very costly. So I am using the woods for fire because can't afford the gas and other things. So the service, the duty which God has given me, I have to fulfill with your prayers and support. So I request you, please continue praying for me, praying for the brick kiln workers, praying for the Christians of Pakistan, and continue supporting us. That we may, together, we may continue bringing in the change here. God bless you all.